Hey everyone, today we are back with another tutorial and another music breakdown for you. So without any further ado, let's jump right into this. First set the tempo to 100 BPM. Now for the rhythm section we'll be using a kick, a clap, a snare, a hi-hat, an open hat, an 808, which will sound like this in together. For the melody section, a trumpet sample has been used. And also for the pre-chorus section, we can hear bass being played. Now moving on to the FX section, we can hear a vocal shot and some crash effects. Now let's hear the final output along with the vocals.
Show mercy on it.
हो इंपोर्ट करी दे एग्जॉस्ट पवाए हुण सेल्फ बजी दे नाल दो पिंड ठाए हुण वोट करी दे एग्जॉस्ट पवाए हुण सेल्फ बजी दे नाल दो पिंड ठाए हुण दारू दा पगेड़ा गप्पा टौर टप्पा गुंद में शरीर ते वलैती होवे लीड़ा लत्ता अय उत्तों बच्ची भी ट्रिप होवे भंग दी मैं क्या होनी जवानी कुछ मंगदी